Today we're at Fry the Coop in Elmhurst, just trying some chicken. We're looking to get the glazed donut sandwich. We're now inside. Kenny and JD are here.
Blue collar fellas.
Yep, we just got off of work. Hold on, this side. Very hard to see, but it's a sport court builder. JB's got his on, custom courts. Kenny's got his on over there. Yep. Got off of work early, so we came over here for lunch at Fry the Coop. Here is the glazed donut chicken sandwich. JB and I are gonna share it. So I'll chop it up and I'll show you the result. Here we are. The inside of the chicken, great white meat. Smells good. Ready, JB? Really hot.
You want to put some sauce on there?
Yeah. The donut tastes really good. Yeah, it's more of a bready donut. It's kind of like brioche bread, but with the glaze on the outside. This is definitely gonna need a hand wash after.
That's some good sauce right there. I like cane sauce a little bit.
Really? Yeah, we kind of like it.
That's good.
The chicken's really good too.
Definitely come back.
Yeah.
Get another close up on that meat.
Only issue, it's a little bit pricey.
It's $13 for a sandwich. I mean, it's freaking bull crap.
There's his order. I'd give it a 9.3.